The Mercedes-Benz A-Class is a subcompact car manufactured by Mercedes-Benz and marketed across 4th generations as a front-engine, front-wheel drive, 5-passenger, 5-door hatchback, with a 3-door hatchback offered for the 2nd generation. The W177 hatchback was launched in 2018 as the successor to the W176 Mercedes-Benz A-Class, and sales commenced in March 2018. It is available as a 5-door hatchback, W177 model code, 4-door sedan, V177, and a long wheelbase sedan exclusive to China, Z177. In North America, the hatchback is available in Canada and Mexico, but in the US, only the sedan is available. The 4th generation A-Class hatchback was unveiled to media in February 2018 in Amsterdam ahead of its public debut at the 2018 Geneva Motor Show. At launch, Mercedes-Benz revealed the vehicle's Predator face, which is also implemented in the C257 CLS and C118 CLA, which will not spread throughout the brand's entire range of cars.